Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Easy English. This lesson is slow and clear. It is perfect for relaxed listening. Here is a small tip. Use simple English every day. Small practice makes progress. Let's start. Today, I want to talk about using the phone. I use my phone every day. It helps me stay connected. In the morning, I check messages. I read them slowly. Sometimes I call my family. Hearing their voice feels good. I use my phone to check the time. I also check the weather. I try not to use my phone too much. Too much screen time is tiring. I put my phone down and rest my eyes. This feels better. Using the phone can be helpful. But balance is important. I like to use my phone calmly, not in a hurry. Now, I will say some sentences. This is a great way to practice and learn. Please repeat after me. I use my phone. I use my phone. I call my family. I call my family. I check messages. I check messages. I read messages slowly. I read messages slowly. I try not to use my phone too much. I try not to use my phone too much. I put my phone down. I put my phone down. Very good. Keep practicing. Thank you for listening. This is Daily Easy English. See you next time.